George Westinghouse.
Inventor.
Founder.
Organizer.
And the master workman.
Who was George? George Westinghouse Jr. was an American entrepreneur and engineer who invented the railway, air brake, and was the pioneer of the electrical industry.
He was born in Central Bridge, New York on October 6, 1846. George was the eighth of 10 children. When the family moved to Schenectady, New York, his father established a shop for agricultural machinery and small steam engines. After serving in the Union Army during the Civil War and briefly attending college, Westinghouse returned to his father's shop where, in 1865, he developed and patented a rotary steam engine. That same year, he invented a device for placing derailed freight cars back on their track.
In November and December of 1887, Nikola Tesla, a Serbian engineer, filed for 7 U.S. patents in the field of polyphase AC motors and power transmission. His motor produced alternating current and his transformer stepped up and stepped down the voltage as required. Westinghouse believed in Tesla's inventions and installed them in the Adams station and brought electricity to the Buffalo.
The challenge was to accomplish sending electricity over long distances. This is because it required high voltage to push the current through wires. Yet using high voltages in home and factories can be dangerous.
Westinghouse's firm faith in the AC system led to the founding of the Westinghouse Electric Company in 1886. To oppose the DC system supported by Edison, Westinghouse's company deliberately underbid and won the contract to power the 1893 World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago. The widely publicized implementation of AC converted skeptics like Lord Kelvin to force them to recognize in the system's potential.
Based on the success, the Cataract Company hired Westinghouse to build 10 5,000 horsepower generators for the Adams station. This was a tremendous challenge because earlier generators were only 150 horsepower.
With the desire to turn ideas into enterprises, he founded Westinghouse Electric and 59 other companies, eventually receiving over 100 patents for his work.
Westinghouse invented a system of air brakes that made travel by train safe, but one of the greatest electric manufacturing organizations in the United States. Developed and patented a rotary steam engine, a device for replacing derailed freight cars, and a railroad frog.
George Westinghouse and Nikola Tesla, seeking to make long-distance electric power transmission a reality. They combined their skills, their genius, and their belief in a new technology, alternating current. Together, they started a revolution that electrified the world, a perfect partnership. Together, they also built the first ever hydroelectric power plant in Niagara Falls and started the electrification of the world, which was a huge success, leading to the second